In this video, I will show you how to upload music to Spotify. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, you do need to have the Spotify app installed. You cannot do this on the web browser. So if you don't have the app installed, just come across to spotify.com on your web browser, and you'll see once you logged in the top right hand corner, there is an option to install apps. So you want to click onto this and make sure you install the app onto your PC first of all, so you can download this just like so. And once you've done that, just click onto the download to install Spotify onto your PC. So here we are. As you can see, we've currently got the Spotify app downloaded, installed and opened on my PC. Now, once you've done this, what you're going to want to do is log into your account. Then what you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile icon just up here, and then come down and click onto settings. In here, what you want to do is just scroll down to the section called your library, and you're going to see an option called show local files. Now what you want to do is go ahead and turn the switch on for this, and what this is going to do is add a folder to the left hand side, as you can see, called local files. So if we actually go ahead and click onto this, what it's going to do is locate and add all our audio files from our PC. What you can then do is go ahead and upload your own music to Spotify by simply coming to the song that you want to add to Spotify. When you hover over this, if you come to the right hand side, you're going to see these three dots. So if you actually click onto this, you can add this to a playlist. So what we can do is add this to our playlist, just like so. Then if we come into that playlist, you will see that our music has been uploaded and added to Spotify. What we can do is go ahead and play this, and it's going to play absolutely fine through Spotify. So that is how to upload music to Spotify. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.